How do you make your oven clean for Passover? It's very simple. It's just like making so many other things clean for Passover. Number one, you want to make sure it is clean without any kind of crumbs, pieces of bread, or any remnants of food. Number two, you want to clean it with a spray, obviously a safe one, an oven spray, or some kind of disinfectant, whatever it is that's safe and effective, you want to do that. Next, you want to make sure you wait 24 full hours where you will not be using it at all. 24 hours of not using the oven at all. Once you've waited 24 hours and the oven has been cleaned, both removing the chametz and having some kind of spray that cleans ovens do that effectively, you will turn on your oven for about an hour on the highest heat. Then it will be kosher for Passover. Now, it should be noted, according to Rav Moshe Feinstein and some others, you cannot possibly clean your oven for Passover, but this is the opinion of many others that you can do it this way. Now, if you have a newer oven that has self-clean, your life is much easier because all you basically need to do is make sure that the oven doesn't have any substance of chametz, that it's basically clear, no crumbs, no sticky chametz, and you turn it on self-clean for about an hour or whatever it takes, and it's clean, no need to wait 24 hours, although some people will. Now, the real issue, though, is racks. What do you do about oven racks? So if you have a self-clean oven, the self-cleaning also works for the racks. But if you don't have a self-clean oven, some say there's no way to make it kosher. By the way, it's very easy today to get new racks on Amazon. So for $10, $15, you just find racks that match your oven. That's probably the best way. Just make sure you take them to the mikveh first. But if you don't get new racks, then some say that if you heat the racks up with the oven, or if you pass it over the gas, stove or with some kind of blowtorch, you can make it kosher for Passover. But the racks are really the more complicated one, of course, unless you have a self-clean oven. Wishing everyone a very happy Passover.